How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your search bar and then simply search for control panel. Once you open your control panel up, go ahead and click on the view by and make sure to set it to large or small icons. Then find your network and sharing center. Once you get here, you'll have an option to set up a connection or network. So go ahead and click on this. Now you can manually connect to a wireless network from here and then click on next. Now you're going to have to enter your network name. So let me just go ahead and do that. Then you're going to have to choose your security type. So from here, all you have to do is select what kind of security is set up on your network. So I'm going to select this WPA2 personal for now. And then you can choose your encryption type. It'll automatically be chosen when you select your security type. Then just enter your password, and if you want to hide characters, you can hide characters. And this is the most important step. You can connect even if the network is not broadcasting. So if you select this option, even when there is no connection, you should be able to connect to your network. Now, this is important for the initial connection, so go ahead and click on Next. Now, it has been successfully added. And now you can just go ahead and close this out. So if you go ahead and click over to your Wi-Fi network here, go to this Wi-Fi and scroll down. You should be able to see the network that you have just added. So I'm just going to wait for a bit and see if it loads right here. So I'm just going to refresh it. If you're not able to find it this way, then you can just go ahead and click on Hidden Network and then click on Connect. So just enter the name here, just like before. Click on Next, and you're just going to have to enter your password and click on Next again. And it will automatically check if those connections are here. And if there is the connection available, it will be automatically connected. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.